good, y'all? It's your boy Ty 365, and today again I'm back with another video. This one is a very special shoe that I really love it. That's the Kyrie 5, and this one is featuring concepts, but I don't have the one with the special box, but I got the original box from Kyrie 5. The swoosh on the side is my very first one, and size 10.5. It goes for 140. You can see Kyrie's logo. I think that he got it on his shoulder. I think his left shoulder has the tattoos, and they put it on the box. It says Kyrie 5, and his logo up here, and that's it. So the big boy is out. As you can see, that's the Kyrie 5, and this one, I love it. They're featuring with concepts. The color is like golden light beige, and you can see the gold accent up here on the upper. That's the lace lock to lock your foot down up here with Kyrie logo, the silver metallic up here, and the outsole made of purple. Also, I feel like the shoe is made with the mesh, and you got the seeing eyes on the back of it, and the V represents the 5, and up here again with the gold accent, V represent the 5, and then gray swoosh in the inside, and up here the tongue made of the red color, and the other one made with the Kyrie logo, and comes in the left pair. I think this one in the right pair with the C for concept, and inside, as you can see, is Kyrie logo, number 11, the right number he plays for Boston Celtics with number 11, and the other one with the biggest Kyrie logo inside of it in purple. Like, honestly, you can see the seeing eyes up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. It's really nice with the triangle and the Kyrie logo inside of it. So that shoe, in my opinion, is one of the best shoes. The only thing I wish they could have made this like a different way, so you could take it off if you want to. But I think it's locked with the lace, everything. There's a little struggle with it when you're trying to put it on the foot. Right here, you need to be more careful, or you could go up a size up if you don't want to damage this when you're trying to put it on your feet, and you can mess this up here. It's really tight. I wish this can remove if you want to, But anyways, that's the shoe, y'all. Like I said, the shoe is really nice. I like the colorways, and this is a perfect fit. So if you're new to my channel, again, please give me a thumbs up, and I'm out, y'all.